This is Paul. Yeah. This is the instructions for a protection order. Yeah. Just so you see this. Yeah. The law requires the order to say. Yeah. Take the if the respondent received notice of the hearing. Yes. And by what method out. Yeah. Now, for those that say, well, he's delusional. Yes. Yes. He has a factual understanding, but not a rational understanding of exactly what the law says. Yeah. This is the actual protection order. Yes. This is the instructions for how to get a protection order. Yes. The law requires the order to say. Yes. It does not say the respondent received actual notice of the hearing. Yes. You can see here. I'll make it bigger for you. See that little box right there? There has to be one of these. Yeah. Now, just so you understand, yeah, the law requires the order to say. Yes. That's what the law requires. Yeah. That's the factual. Yes. Now, the rational. The rational would say the respondent did not receive actual notice of the hearing. Yes. There's no little X right there. Pooch. Now, I know that the magistrate, Brent Basden, and for whatever reason he issued this. Yes. But there are certain requirements of the law that the order has to say. Yes. The order has to say it. Yes. You can take me out of the whole equation. Yeah. The law requires the order to say. Yes. Now, the law requires the order to say respondent received actual notice of the hearing. Yes. That's what it says. Now, you'd say, well, we can attempt service twice. Yeah. During those 48 days. Yeah. And we don't care what the law requires. Right now! The order will say whatever we want it to say. It'll say mental health evaluation and treatment if required. Pooch. It'll say 10 years. Yes, it will. It'll say whatever I want it to say, and it doesn't matter if there's a signature of the petitioner. No! It will say what I want it to say because the law does not require the order to say anything. The law does not matter. Yes, there is no requirements of the law. Now, the law requires the order to say. The order says that I did not receive actual notice of the hearing. Yeah. The court does not have jurisdiction over the parties. The minor's the subject matter. Yes. The respondent had reasonable notice and opportunity to be heard. No. The law requires the order to say this. Yes. Notice of the hearing was served on the respondent by personal service. Service by mail. Service by publication. The actual order, this is the order for protection, says that there was no personal service. The respondent did not receive actual notice of the hearing. And the respondent, yes, was or was not present at the hearing. Yes. The order requires the law to say, was he there or was he not? Now, you cannot issue an order, yes, that the law requires to say, yes, when you do not put an X in the boxes necessary for the order to say what it says. Yes. Now, this order actually says, right now, that you don't know if I was there or wasn't there. Yes, because you didn't mark one of the boxes. It's as if Brent Basden was sitting there by himself looking around the courtroom and saying, well, is he here or is he not? I can't make a decision. Yes, I don't see him or I do see him. Yeah, what is the factual, rational mindset of a court? Yes, to not be able to know if somebody's there, somebody's not there.